Use a friend to take the bike out of the box. Remove all of the packaging from shipping. Remove the 4 stem bolts. Refasten the stem to install the handlebars. Tighten until secure. Loosen the bolts from the fork plate. Remove the fork plate. Remove the plastic wedge from the brake caliper. Line up the wheel to install to the bike. Tighten the bolt onto the axle. Do the same on the other side. Remove this bolt from the fork to install the fender. Reinstall and align the fender. Tighten until secure. Remove the bolts from the light mount. Install the headlight by refastening the bolts.
Attach the connecting cables by matching up the arrows.
Install the pedals. Keep in mind they are side specific and threaded in reverse. Install the foot pegs by tightening the 2 bolts.